Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the equation 6 to the power of x is equal to 60. So to solve this, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to be taking the log on both sides. So I get log of 6 to the power of x is equal to log 60. Now, if I have something in the form log of a to the power of b, I can move this exponent b to the front. This can equal b times log a. In this case, I have log 6 to the power of x, and I can move x to the front. So I get x times log 6 is equal to log 60. Now from here, I'm going to divide both sides by log 6. So then these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to log 60 over log 6. So now from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite log 60 as log of 6 times 10. And if I have something in the form log of a times b, this is equal to log a plus log b. So log 6 times 10 is going to equal log 6 plus log 10. And I evolve this over log 6. Now, from here, if I have something in the form a plus b over c, this is equal to a over c plus b over c. So log 6 plus log 10 over log 6, I can write this as log 6 over log 6 plus log 10 over log 6. Now, log 6 and log 6 cancel out, so I get x is equal to 1 plus log 10 is also equal to 1. So I have this over log 6. And if you guys already didn't know, log 6 is equal to log 3 times 2, which is equal to log 3 plus log 2, which is equal to 0.7781. So if I plug this in for log 6, I am left with x equals 2.2852. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the problem 100 to the power of x is equal to 10 to the power of x plus 1 to the power of x. So, to solve this, what I'm first going to do is rewrite 100 to the power of x as 10 squared to the power of x. So now this is equal to 10 to the power of x plus 1 to the power of x. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of n to the power of m. So 10 to the power of 2 to the power of x is equal to 10 to the power of x to the power of 2. So now I have 10 to the power of x to the power of 2 is equal to 10 to the power of x plus 1 to the power of x. Now, if I have something in the form, 1 to the power of any number is just going to be 1. So we can just get rid of this x as an exponent because it won't really change anything. So now I have 10 to the power of x squared is equal to 10 to the power of x plus 1. And now from here, I'm going to let 10 to the power of x equal to the variable m. So now I have m squared is equal to m plus 1. And this turns into m squared minus m minus 1 is equal to 0. Now I'm going to use the quadratic formula to solve this. So the quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, a is 1, b is -1, and c is -1. So I get m is equal to negative of -1 plus or minus the square root of -1 squared minus 4a which is 1 times c, which is -1, all over 2a, so 2 times 1. And this turns into positive 1 plus or minus the square root of plus 4 over 2, which is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 over 2. So this is the value of m. And to be precise, the two values of m are 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2 and 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2. Now, remember how we let m equal 10 to the power of x? So 10 to the power of x is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2, and 10 to the power of x is also equal to 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2. So for my second equation over here, 10 to the power of x is equal to 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2. Well, 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2 is a negative number. And you can't take the power of a positive number and make it equal negative, meaning there's no solution to this equation. So we are only left with 10 to the power of x is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. And to solve this, I'm going to take the log on both sides. So I get log 10 to the power of x is equal to log 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. And if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move the exponent b to the front, so this turns into b times log a. So now I have log 10 to the power of x, which I can move x to the front, so I get x times log 10 is equal to log of 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. And now I'm going to divide both sides by log 10. So then these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to log of 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2 over log 10. And log 10, if you guys already know, is equal to 1. So this turns into log of 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2 over 1, which is the same thing as log of 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. There's no need to include the over 1 because anything over 1 is itself. So this is my solution to this equation.